talking is kind of urgent. I'm catching a train for sure. So anybody who's travelled from Kenilworth, southern suburbs, all the way to Bishop in Southern Peninsula will be able to tell you that's about a half an hour trip. And that the first 2/3 of it suck until you get about here. Then it's pretty damn amazing. So I'm in Bishop and I'm going off to meet my buddy Kevin. It's been ages since I've seen him. I quite like Bishop, as much as the people who know me say that I don't. It's picturesque. It's a nice place to miss. Kind of looks like she doesn't really want to go with him. I think I've spotted it.
Hey, right?
How's it going, bro?
Good, how are you?
Cool, did you just call me Ryan?
No, I said bro.
Like seriously, this place is very pretty. In the land of the rising sun, 5,000 pigeons have come to fight it out for the love of one woman. Picking up a present for 2-year anniversary. Muchas gracias. Finally arrived. It's really dark outside, and I've got to take back some library books. They're open to 10.
Well, folks, time to kick it old school.
Fine of 3 rand. I'm so sorry.
So you can feel cool. You listen, my baby. Baby. Yeah.
You alarm is svenska. So, there's a bit of a power out in Cape Town, except for that building. Over there. So breakfast has always been a tough one because I don't like cereal and I try not to eat bread. But Candace has bought me blueberry muffins. I love blueberry muffins. Don't judge me. Two quick things. First, we didn't order that. The chef brought it out as a surprise. Second thing is if you're going to eat pork sausages, you should be willing to eat the whole animal. Don't waste animals. Back to the video. But today's going to be a hectic day. So I need some solid breakfast. Good breakfast.
drawing room with high tea elements. Tour of the tasting room, Manor House and Herb Garden. Rupert wine tasting and Cape of Good Hope wine tasting.
Yeah.
Then we'll go up to the top tasting room where we have lunch paired with more wine.
Fuck yeah.
And then after that you can do the motor museum and have more food if you need more food.
To the tasting room at the drawing room. Thank you.
This is amazing. And that's the bathroom. Wow. Could be worse. We're going on